Iran is days away from developing nuclear weapons, a claim that the Israeli Prime Minister made in 1996, in 2001, in 2003, in 2007, in 2010, in 2012, in 2023, in 2024, आखिरकार 2025 में जनाब स्पीकर इन्होंने इजराइल ने और इनके रेजीम ने इस झूठ की बुनियाद पे ईरान पे हमला किया है। हमें इस हमला का मजम्मत करते हैं। Iran's sovereignty was violated in violation of international law. Military leadership was targeted not on the front lines or on a battlefield or in a war room, but while they slept in their homes in apartment buildings, resulting in the loss of not only their lives, but in the loss of lives of the innocent civilians in Iran. Not only were military leadership targeted, but scientists were targeted, Janabe Speaker. Journalists and media institutions have been targeted, Janabe Speaker. And sabse bharkar, the most egregious attack is that in violation of international law on nuclear facilities. Any attack on a nuclear facility is not just a potential nuclear attack on Iran. For खुदा ना खास्ता अगर उस nuclear facility को नुकसान के नतीजे में कोई लीक होता तो वो उसका नुकसान सिर्फ ईरान तक महदूद नहीं होता. It would have consequences for all neighboring countries in the region, including Pakistan. तो हम इसको सख्ती से इस bombing को, इस हमला को का मज़म्मत करते हैं. Yesterday, Janabe Speaker, yesterday, the United States conducted a more expansive attack on Iran's nuclear sites, and the Israeli government is forcing the United States public into a war that the people of the United States do not support, once again based on a lie. The same lie that was peddled before the American public before the Iraq war in 2003. Today it is claimed that Iran is the one with weapons of mass destruction. We strongly and vociferously condemn the US strikes, and I call on the government to mobilize their foreign minister, who should try and create a group of like-minded foreign ministers who not only oppose this conflict, but who are at risk, severe risk to themselves, their people, if heaven forbid any of these strikes on nuclear facilities were to result in a nuclear leak. We must emphasize that an attack on nuclear facilities cannot be tolerated under any circumstances.